Hey guys, I'm Burak. I'm from Turkey and I'm majoring at accounting major here. This is my first semester here at UNI and I'm junior. And today I show you how to make Turkish coffee with Olivia and I hope you guys like it.
So, what are the steps to make Turkish coffee?
What are the steps? The first step is measuring the water.
Okay.
If you use water, you can use milk as well.
Okay.
And measuring the water, measure your coffee. We have special coffee, just came from Turkey.
Okay. Is there a certain flavor, or is it just plain?
It's the grinding style is a little bit different,
Okay.
and it's a little bit stronger than the
Okay.
regular coffee here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm all about strong coffee.
Okay, so I'll put extra for you.
Okay, perfect.
And we have a coffee cup here,
Okay.
coffee pot here.
Okay.
This is also from Turkey.
Okay.
And so sugar, if you like some sugar in it, and we have sugar, and that's it. That's all need for us.
All right. Let's get started.
Okay, then so if we need 4 cups of coffee, we put 4 cups of water.
Okay.
So one of the most important thing about Turkish coffee is it's from the preparation to serving.
Okay.
It's like a ceremony, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, people, serve coffee for certain events, not serving in daily life. It's
Yeah.
not like Turkish tea. Turkish tea
Okay.
is, people drink it every day.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
this is more like a ceremony,
Okay.
for special events. So
Alright.
it takes a little bit more time, and you should drink it slowly.
Okay, so you can enjoy it.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, perfect. So then, do you just do 4 scoops from the
4
spoon?
scoops of
Okay, from the 4 cups we put in.
You said you like it strong.
Yep, it's gonna be strong. What is the key then to making the coffee? Does it have to boil? Does it?
One of the key is actually when this start boiling. We're gonna see closely later on, but
Okay.
when this start boiling, you're gonna see foam at the top.
Okay.
The main purpose is try to collect the foam.
Stir. So what is this one called again?
This one called
Yep.
jezve.
Jezve? Did I say that okay?
Yep, jezve. How about this one? What was this?
I don't recall.
Fincan.
Finjan? Alright. Again, hopefully I didn't say that too bad. So how do you serve up the coffee then? Like out of the pot?
We're gonna pour the coffee slowly
Okay.
to, keep the foam at the top, and also keep the coffee ground in the pot as well.
In the bottom?
Yeah, in the
Alrighty. So we don't want coffee grounds in our coffee.
Exactly. Now I'm taking the foam at the top. So after it started boiling, I will get more foam from the top, and then there's a little trick when it starts boiling.
What is that?
I'll show you now.
Oh gosh.
At this point, I should take off from the stove, wait
Okay.
a little bit, and then put it back. And then I'll do it 3 times. Second, and the 3rd time. Yeah.
Wow.
Ready. And I have to pour it slowly. And you're not gonna drink it immediately.
Because it's hot.
Yeah.
Excited.
This is the best one, I think.
That's the best
a lot
one?
of foam.
That's the prime example.
Yep. So let's talk about the history of the Turkish coffee.
Okay.
And in 11th century, probably some people brought it from Ethiopia.
Okay.
This is some say this came from Ethiopia, but others say in the 15th century.
Okay.
Coffee brought it from Yemen
Okay.
during the Ottoman Empire. But the way people of Yemen serve the coffee is a little bit different than Turkish people do. So Turkish chefs changed it a little bit, and
Yeah.
they use different style of grinding.
Okay.
And this is not served like that in Turkey.
Yeah.
We serve baklava or some kind of dessert,
Okay.
and we don't put sugar in it.
Okay.
But we have, limited opportunities here.
Yep. So we didn't have anything else to put with it, so we put sugar in ours today.
Yep. And, okay.
All right. Let's see. I'm excited. It smells delicious. I like it.
Really?
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah, but I don't drink a lot.
That's like a really good cup of like dark coffee.
Yeah, it's really strong. The coffee cup is, this looks like a regular espresso cup, right?
Yeah.
But there's a little bit difference here. Instead of like bowl shape, we have like a straight.
Okay, so instead of like it curved a little bit more, it's a little bit more straight.
Yeah.
Okay.
The reason is this shape, people say that this shape holds the foam better.
Oh, okay.
As I said before, the foam is really important in Turkish coffee.
Yeah. Huh.
And people drink it slowly.
Okay, so they drink it slowly.
Yeah.
And why is that? Just to savor it?
Yeah, and also it's more like a ceremony. It's
Okay.
more like enjoying the moment.
Yeah.
That's why.
And you mentioned that people typically don't drink this like every day. It's more of like a special occasion type thing. So what kind of special occasions or events would you drink Turkish coffee?
We usually drink coffee during the wedding ceremonies, or before the wedding ceremonies, or let's say you have a close friend and you want to spend more time with him or her, and you prefer coffee because you drink it slowly.
Okay.
And
So it kind of gives you an excuse to hang out with them for a little
Yeah.
bit more time.
yeah,
Perfect.
that's pretty much the culture of Turkish coffee.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, it's delicious.
Yeah.
I like it a lot.
And I'm glad you like it because
Yes.
a lot of people don't like it.
Okay.
As I said, it's strong.
Yeah, and it could be like an acquired taste too, I guess. Yeah. But I give it a thumbs up.
Try as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this episode. If you like it, thumbs up.
Yay!